Okay, so I recently ordered something from AliExpress. All right, and since I started biking, I ordered this. This is the Rockbros 1.7 liter bicycle bag, which is waterproof, a rear large capacity, quick release. So I got it for like 18.14 dollars, and we just received it today. Ayan. So it looks like this one. So only one picture. So okay. So that's it. So the price is 18.14. So let's see. This is the expectation and let's see what's the reality. So the box arrived like this. So as you can see here, doesn't really look nice. Just, a box, a carton box. All right. So let's see what's inside. So by the way, as you can see here, they normally declare it with, a lower value. I ordered it for $18 and they declared $1. Kind of weird. So anyway, let's open it up. Okay, and let's see what's inside. Okay, so it arrived like this. Okay, seems there's no damage. Looks good. Now let's open it up. Okay, so Rockbros, that's the name. I'm gonna open this up. Is it like a freezer? No. Okay. No need for this. Nice. All right. Looks really good. Really stylish, huh? Okay. And if we're gonna open this, so you have like two axes, one here. That's quite difficult to open, huh? Okay, it's stuck. Okay, this is stuck. Okay, it's open now. What's inside? Okay, this is something you put on the bike. So we're gonna try to open this. So it comes with an Allen key. Okay, and it exactly fits the contraption. I think this one is used for this. Oh no, what is this for? That should fit. Okay. It's quite difficult, huh? Or I'm doing it in the wrong way. Okay. So that's it. So it goes like that. So utility-wise, you can put some stuff here. And some pockets here. Alright, so that's the first compartment. Again, we're reviewing Rockbros. Then you have a second compartment. It says it's quick release, but I think this is the quick release part, but it's hard to open, to be honest. All right, so if we're gonna open this one, cool. So basically, you can put your stuff here. Interesting. All right, so overall, it looks legit. It looks expensive actually. I think it's waterproof and quick to release. Okay, so let's rate this one. So this is what I ordered from Rockbros, and it's on sale right now. And they got 44 orders. Okay, so when you mount